May time ka ba na nakakatulog talaga habang tinitake yung scene? Opo. Uwe.
Oo nga. Ano sabihin mo?
Hello po, ako po si Robin. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga po pala si Robin Angeles. Gumanap po si Drake Palma.
At ako naman po si Angela Muji, gumaganap bilang Alice Zayril Perez.
And ngayon, babasahin po namin ang mga comments na kino-comment nyo sa amin. Rabi. R-A-B-B-I. Rabi. How do you connect with your character in your recent role? Thank you. Binu-bluetooth ko po.
This is from Super Mads 08. I bet your mama is proud of you. If you could talk to her right now, what would you say? Actually, I wouldn't know what to say. I would just hug her. And I would tell her na, Mama, finally, ito na yan.
Malapit mo.
Sakas.
Diba? Tama.
Yes.
Ako mag-hello ako sa kanya. Hello po. Kung nandyan na.
Ano sabihin mo?
Hello po. Ako po si Robin. Hi Robin. I'm from Mindanao. I'm always here for supporting you and always proud of you, Robin. Hello po. CT, Myra, Taib. Salamat po.
MRCLMDRGL. Hi, Jella. How do you see Robin in 3 different ways? As a love team, as a friend, and as a man. As a love team, I see Robin as a very professional person. When it's time to work in front of the camera, he goes to work right away, and he's easy to work with. As a friend, Robin is someone I can trust. And Robin as a man, I see him as a really caring and gentleman. Lagi po siyang ready to help you. Ganun. And I think that's also one of his attractive traits. Yun nga, gentleman po kasi siya.
Rob, pag natapos ang shoot, paano ka nagbaback to normal? Naiiwan ba sa'yo yung character minsan? Minsan. Pa-shoutout din. Yappers for Robin. Shoutout. Siguro, hindi naman naiiwan sa akin yung character. Alam ko naman na pag umaarte lang ako, dun lang siya nandyan.
Yippee! 00. Hi, Angela Muji. Ang tanong ko lang po, kung hindi ka naging artista ngayon, ano dapat ikaw ngayon at bakit? Ang dami ko po kasing pangarap ng bata ko. Gusto ko maging doktor, gusto ko maging nurse, gusto ko maging lawyer, gusto ko maging presidente. Lahat na po gusto ko talaga maging. Pero, ang pinakapangarap ko po na nakita ko si Sarah Geronimo, sabi ko, gusto ko na lang maging artista, ganyan. If hindi ako artista ngayon, siguro flight attendant or radio host.
Hi Kuya Robin, you're doing so great. Your acting skills are impressive. Keep it up in all your future projects. Salamat po.
Lily Hyun, can you share a difficult or challenging scene you experienced and how you overcame it? As Alice or as Angela? As Alice, I think there was one time, I think one of the most difficult scenes for me. Kasi hindi ako makaiyak and we have been on standby for like 2 hours already. And how I overcame it, actually, I didn't at that time. Pero you know what? Direct gave me a chance and he said, okay, I'm giving you another chance. Let's do it on a different day. And thank God, nagawa ko siya. This time, I came prepared. So, ayun.
Question, kapag natutulog ka as Drake Palma, may time ka ba na nakakatulog talaga habang tinitake yung scene? Opo. Kasi lagi po akong puyat. Parang lagi 3 hours lang tulog ko. So natutulog talaga ako. Merong araw na wala akong lines the whole day. Natutulog lang. Puro ganun yung eksena ko. So natutulog lang ako habang nagtitake kasi matagal lang haba ng mga eksena ni Alice and Aya.
We have 12_3JN. Hi, Jella. Are you reading books? What's your fave? Back in high school and grade school, mahilig po ako magbasa ng Wattpad books. Ang favorite ko po nun is yung Diary ng Pangit, Talk Back and You're Dead. Actually, ang dami pa talaga. Nakalimutan ko na yung ibang titles kasi it was so long ago. Pero those were some of my favorite books. Kaya it really is an honor na I'm acting in one of those Wattpad series or books that I've been reading since I was young.
Uwe.
Oo nga. Tingnan mo, may Wattpad nga ako eh. Ay, hindi ko pala ito phone.
Ayun, maraming salamat po sa mga comments nyo. Iniimbitahan din po namin kayo lahat na manood ng seducing Drake Palma sa TV5, 6:45 PM po.
Yes, guys. See you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.